Hello viewers, welcome to Audio is 360. Today I have this Apple Airpods Pro earbuds. So the problem in this is battery backup. Only few minutes it is coming. It is necessary to replace the batteries of these both earbuds. So in this video I am going to show you how to replace the battery of this AirPods Pro. So alright, without wasting any time, let's start replacing the battery. So we have to give some heat over here around 100 degrees so that we can take this apart. So this housing will come in two halves. So there will be flux cable behind inside this. If you force too much, then you may end up breaking the flux cable. In that case, the earpods will be of no use then. So we have to be very careful. So alright, let me give some heat, and we have to give some pressure over here after giving it so that this will come out. There will be glue here right round. You can see the line, thin line where this is pasted. So alright, let me give some heat and come here. So before that we have to remove these ear tips. So simply we have to do like this so that the ear tip will come like this. So now we can give heat right round over here. So after giving heat, the glue will melt inside here like this. So it will be very easy. We can simply pry like this. There will be flux cable, be careful. This glue is melting like this. You can see flux cable is coming here. Just we have to clean and open it, that's it. So this has removed completely, and you can see there is a flux cable here. So we have to remove that flux cable here. There will be lock here, so we have to lift it slowly so that this flux cable will come out, and this part we can keep this separately. So let me do that. So here, if we lift it like this slowly, flux cable will come out. Even after lifting this clip here, I'm not able to remove the flux cable because production is so bad that glue has been applied over here in this connector. So this is not the right way to apply glue here, but still I have to manage this to remove flux cable, or else without removing flux cable I have to take out the battery and install. So it is very difficult here. So before that I have to remove all this glue here. You can see this excess glue. So let me remove this glue completely right round and come here. In this particular bud the glue has been applied here, but in some other model, in some other units the glue is not applied. It is randomly, I think it has come here. So alright, let me clean this further and come here. So finally I have managed to remove the flux cable without any damage, perfectly removed. Because of the glue it took time, lots of time. So we have to remove the glue very patiently, then we can remove the flux cable. The reason for removing the flux cable is so that we can work in this part very easily, and we can keep this part separately. So that is the reason. Without that it will be very difficult. Now further I am showing you in close up. You can see there is two soldering points here. That is the main connection to the motherboard. So there will be glue here as well. It will be very difficult to remove the glue. So I have already removed the glue of these two solderings. So simply we have to take this is also flux cable. Two solderings are there connected. So we have to give some heat to remove the flux cable. If you give excess heat, you may end up melting the flux cable here. Then after that, this is the point of battery connection. So this is one point, and here this is one more point. So this 2 point is the terminal. So all these four solderings we have to remove so that we can access the battery. There will be flux cable going around here and there, so it will be very difficult to show in the video. So I am going to remove these two solderings and take out the flux cable, and I will remove this battery here as well, and I will come here immediately. So if you have this type of earbuds like Apple AirPods Pro, first generation, second generation, so third generation, you can send it to me here in Bangalore. I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it from any part of India to Bangalore. I can replace the batteries and send it back to you. So alright, number is given here. You can do WhatsApp message. Please avoid calling because I get too many calls, so I miss the calls. So if you message, I will definitely reply you. So alright, so now you can see I have removed this flux cable. There is two solderings here. So just this flux cable goes inside and it is soldered. So it will be very delicate. If you give more heat, you may end up breaking the flux cable. In this case here, I have removed the flux cable without damaging anything, 100% perfect. Now further we have to remove these 2 points here. This is the battery connection here. So if we give heat and remove this from this cable, so the battery connection will come out. Then we can take out the battery is glued at the bottom here. So very challenging, very difficult. Let me remove this battery. All four terminals has been removed. using soldering. So it is glue here, so I have removed the glue. So this part it is coming like this. So now it's time to just take out the battery from this place. To take out, we have to pry here. This battery has been pasted here below, so we have to remove that very carefully, because you may pull up the other things with the battery here. So alright, just I'm going to remove the battery here. So you can see the battery is removed. So that's it. Now it's time to simply place the new battery, solder it back, and just put the covers back to its place. So polarity is very important. Minus plus should not go opposite, otherwise you may end up damaging the earbuds. So polarity is very important. Minus of the battery should go to the minus of this terminal, and plus should go to the plus of this terminal. So make sure before removing you have to check the polarity here as well. So in this case, the top one is minus for me and the bottom one is plus for me. So this is the right side earbud. So alright, now I am going to install the battery and come here. So this is the battery I am going to install. Both are of almost same quality, so same quality and capacity. So very good high quality battery. So let me install this battery here. So I have installed the battery here, minus plus. Just I have to install these 2 points here to the motherboard here. You can see, let me show you using the tweezers here. So this is the point, and I have to install these 2 connectors here. This is flux cable, so very careful you have to be here while installing. So let me install here and I will come here immediately. So finally I have installed the battery perfectly here. Everything is positioned. Now simply we have to connect this flux cable and we have to just glue it, then we can go ahead further. And flux cable has been installed now. Just we have to insert it. I can test it. So I have applied this glue here. So this is CP 0001. Even you can apply T8000, that is transparent. You don't apply black, otherwise it will be visible. So this glue I have used here. This is also transparent. So now simply I have to close it. So that's it, I have closed it, and I'm going to clean this using isopropyl alcohol. Then it will be as good as brand new. You may not even able to find a single mark of tearing this apart. So that is the beauty of this channel. So even if you want to replace the battery of this type of earbuds, this is Apple Airpod Pro. So please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore, so I can replace the batteries behalf of you. So alright, you can see the work here. This side I have replaced the battery in the camera. So this one I have already replaced offline. So both side earbuds has been replaced. So now I am going to show you the working functionality here. So now to pair the device, we have to open the lid here and we have to press this button until the white light glows here. Then we can search it in the smart device. So let me open and press the button here. So you can see white light has come here. So that is pairing mode. Now simply I am going to refresh in this smart device. So yes, you can see AirPods Pro has come here. Just clicking it, clicking the pair button. So it is connected and active. So it is successful battery replacement. So that's it for this video. So if you want me to replace the batteries of this type of AirPods, so this is Apple AirPod Pro first generation. Even I can replace for the second generation and later. So if you want me to replace the batteries, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it to me through courier and I can replace it behalf of you and I can ship it back to your address. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.